Hello everyone. In this video of the training series, we will talk about the cup and handle formation. Cup and handle formations allow us to predict where the target might be. Here, as you can see a cup in this part over here, friends. For example, there is also a handle in this part, in this cup, and handle formation. If the resistance here is broken, there will be a rise equal to the depth of the cup. Friends, as you can see here, when the cup and handle formation occurs, it shows us that the target is 520, and then it brings us to the 520 levels. Friends, now friends, we can look at this in a larger or smaller scale again. For example, in this part, there is a cup and handle formation here. Friends, as you can see, if we look at the smaller scale, it shows us that the target is around 5. If we consider the full depth here, the cup and handle formation is quite prevalent in Bitcoin and other altcoins. As you can see here, there are many cup and handle formations overlapping and complementing each other in SXP coin. Now, if we look at the largest one here, I will draw it like this. As you can see, when I draw upwards, this part of the cup can also be referred to as the handle, my friends. A handle has formed in this way. If we draw it like this, we can see the handle. If we draw it this way, as you can see, we have a very deep cup and handle formation in front of us. Now, its resistance can actually be said to be around 515. It has tested this area many times before. Now, where will it occur? What will happen? Let's see where the target is. We take the depth of this formation, and if it closes 2 candles at the end of the handle, and if it stays above 5 to 20 for 2 days, it indicates that the target is 9.5 for us. This also suggests an approximate profit rate of 80%. As you can see, there is already a depth of about 80% in here, friends. Cup and handle formations show us where the target might be. Of course, we know that this is the exact resistance level, but we can execute some sales a little below it. Of course, if you are holding this coin, SXP coin, as a long-term investment, definitely avoid trading. Wait for the long term. But for those who say they will trade, this will happen. Now, as you can see, we will wait for this formation to occur, and we will make a purchase at an appropriate place here. Of course, you could have bought here, for example, under 5 years. If you look, it has been hovering around 490 for a day or so. A pullback may occur to a lower support level, meaning it could retreat to these areas. Here, something like this could happen. Again, we have a cup and handle formation, friend. If we look at it this way, another cup and handle formation occurs, indicating that its target is around 7.5. I believe something like this will happen, because if we draw a Fibonacci from the area where the trend started, it shows that the target is 750. Therefore, closes above 5 to 10 will bring us to the 750 levels. Let's take another look from here. For example, a formation occurred here. Why did I turn it from here? Because as you can see, the previous peaks show 380 many times, which serves as a support for us. Now, there is again a resistance here. Let's take a depth measurement upwards. It shows that it is 7.5. If we draw from the point where the trend started again, it shows that the 1.618 resistance is also around 7.5. Of course, in the long term, it will test these 10.5 levels again. That's why, friends, technical analysis can give you the target up. Again, look here. If this happens, it shows us the next resistance. You can determine the target in this way. The cup and handle formation usually works, friends, in Bitcoin and other altcoins. Now there is a cup and handle formation here in Bitcoin. Look at it this way, friends. But this has not happened. So, why hasn't it happened? It has been left halfway. But we can think that it will complete this again later. In other words, it could reach these levels in the next breakout. We can say that there is again a cup and handle formation in this part, a small cup and handle formation like this. The cup and handle formation works quite well in Bitcoin, friends, There was also a large cup and handle formation here before. Let me show you right here. If we take a look, friends, there is a cup and handle formation like this in Bitcoin. Here, we can see that a rise as deep as this could occur. As you can see, the target has been achieved previously. Again, friends, we will take this when the breakout occurs. In other words, when the breakout is confirmed here, we will confirm it after 1-2 days of closing. Many cup and handle formations are working in Bitcoin. By using these, you can determine the target and direction yourself. Thank you all. See you soon.